name is Christophe de Bruyne. I'm part of the Adept Center in Trinity College Dublin, and I will be presenting our demo paper visually exploring Sparkle endpoints with Murmuration. Murmuration was developed in the context of the Beyond 2022 project, where we wanted to provide historians a tool allowing them to explore arbitrary paths between two or more selected entities and linked datasets. Of course, they also need some capabilities to ignore certain predicates in those paths, and we wanted to avail of open web standards for the visualization and solely rely on client-side processing. In other words, it has to run in a browser. We generate a bunch of queries, of which you can find the details in the paper, and then display the results as they come in. The code has been made available with an MIT license, and you can find it on GitHub. I provide the URI of the Sparkle endpoint, and then I'm looking for a couple of entities, in this case people. I'm also only interested in paths between those entities of at most 4 relationships or predicates. And because I'm using a Cydoc CRM knowledge base, I can already ignore the P2 has type predicate next to the RDF type predicate. Predicates are color-coded, and you notice me here playing around with the graph. You can also notice that you can hide and unhide predicates and entities. And because I noticed a lot of people are called John, I have decided to ignore the predicate is identified by as well. Now we may have a better idea how these two entities are related. And one final thing, once you click on one of the resources, the tool tries to obtain an HTML representation that is then displayed onto the screen. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and I look forward to talking to you on Discord.